Ever wondered why stress makes your heart race or leads to sleepless nights? It's time to unravel the stress knot and understand its impact on health. Stress, the unseen adversary, permeates our lives in subtle yet significant ways. It can be a silent echo in the labyrinth of our minds, or a loud drum beating in the chambers of our hearts. It's the tight knot in your stomach before a big presentation, the restless tossing and turning at night, the relentless worry gnawing at your peace of mind. The impact of stress on physical health is as profound as its effects on mental well-being. From headaches to heart disease, from insomnia to immune dysfunction, stress leaves no stone unturned. On the mental front, it can lead to anxiety, depression, and a host of other cognitive disruptions. But don't let this paint a picture of doom and gloom. There's a silver lining. Imagine a formula, a stress relief formula, that could help you navigate through the stormy seas of stress, guiding you towards the calm shores of relaxation and tranquility. This formula isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but a personalized approach to stress management, designed to restore balance and harmony in your life. It's about understanding the unique ways in which your body and mind respond to stress, and using that knowledge to your advantage. The ingredients of this stress relief formula are not exotic elixirs from a distant land, but simple, everyday substances that can work wonders when used in the right way. We're talking about a mix of vitamin B complex, magnesium, ashwagandha, rhodiola rosea, and L-theanine. These ingredients, individually and collectively, have been shown to help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. But this isn't just about popping a pill and expecting miracles. It's about integrating these elements into a holistic approach to stress management, which includes healthy eating, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and mindfulness practices. Now let's dive deeper into these ingredients and understand their role in stress management. First off, we have the vitamin B complex, a group of nutrients that work like a well-oiled machine in your body. This isn't just one vitamin, but a complex of 8 different ones, each playing a crucial role in keeping us energized and sharp. The B vitamins are often referred to as the brain vitamins, and for good reason. They are pivotal in the production of neurotransmitters, these tiny chemical messengers that help our neurons communicate. This means better mood, better concentration, and yes, less stress. Next in our arsenal, we have magnesium. This mighty mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in our bodies, including nerve and muscle function. Ever felt a bit twitchy or tense when you're stressed? That's where magnesium steps in. It helps regulate nerve impulses, relaxing your muscles and making you feel less jittery. Now let's move on to ashwagandha and rhodiola rosea, 2 powerful adaptogens. Adaptogens are unique herbs that help your body resist physical, chemical, and biological stressors. Ashwagandha, often hailed as the king of Ayurvedic herbs, aids in reducing cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Rhodiola rosea, on the other hand, is like a botanical bouncer, helping to kick out fatigue and anxiety while inviting in energy and mental clarity. Last but certainly not least, we have L-theanine, an amino acid most famously found in green tea. L-theanine promotes relaxation without drowsiness, a bit like being wrapped in a warm blanket, while still being alert and focused. It works its magic by increasing the production of GABA, a neurotransmitter that has calming effects on the brain. These ingredients, when combined, form a potent stress relief formula. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what the research says. Doubting Thomases, fear not. This stress relief formula isn't just a concoction of fancy words, it's backed by science. Now you might be wondering, what's the proof? Well, numerous studies have shown the effectiveness of these ingredients in reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Take vitamin B complex, for instance. A study published in the Journal of Psychopharmacology found that it significantly reduced workplace stress. Then there's magnesium, a mineral that's been found to alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Ashwagandha, a popular herb in Ayurvedic medicine, has been proven to reduce stress and anxiety levels, according to a study in the Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine. Furthermore, rhodiola rosea, a plant native to the Arctic regions, has been shown to reduce mental fatigue, according to a study in phytotherapy research. Lastly, L-theanine, an amino acid found in tea leaves, is known to promote relaxation without drowsiness, as per a study in the Journal of Clinical Psychiatry. In a world where stressors are a dime a dozen, a stress relief formula like this might just be the answer. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as your physical health.